Hey guys, Sarah with my daughter here, and today we are coming on to review MGA's Miniverse. This is Make It Animals. As you can see there, we're super excited about this. I saw these and I was like, we've got to try them out. Make sure that your child is 8+. So we are going to open, and there's several different kinds of animals you can get. It says make and collect. Okay, it says 12. So there's that. So we are going to get a live reaction of us opening these today. I think they're gonna be darling. I hope, what do you hope you get? I want the bunny, and I want the little hamster that looks like her Larry that she used to have.
I want the axolotl. The axolotl.
No! Let's see what we get though. Go ahead, she's gonna open that one. We already took the plastic off of this one, all right? So this is what it's gonna look like.
Open it.
All right, I'll open mine first. All right, you get this little thing right here. Aww, I hope that's what's in here.
Is that the hamster?
I hope we get that, because that would be Larry. That it looks just like Larry if that's the case. No, it has all the animals. See, we're new to this, we don't know. It shows all the different kinds, so that's real cute. Okay, just a second. You also get,
Satisfying.
I don't know what that is. Oh my word, this stuff is so cute. Look, it comes wrapped and like a mini news.
Oh, you got.
I think I got the gecko.
You got the bunny.
Did I get the bunny? Guys, I think I got the bunny. And if y'all know us, my oldest daughter had a bunny named Bennett, and he lived for almost 11 years. And look at this. This is so cute. See if we can focus it. I hope it's a brown little bunny. I have no clue. But we'll open that. It might be gray. The little tray. Look at this. All the stuff you get in here. This stuff is so darling, guys. If you know of someone that likes little things, check these out. It is the bunny for sure. You got the little bunny food. So cute. Let's see what this is. I love how they're wrapped. Oh, it's the little...
Hutch or something.
No, it's a little piece of wood or what tunnel thing that they go in. Okay. What is that?
Maybe it's like.
Yeah, let's open this. I should get to the most important part. What's in here? I love how they wrap this, guys. For a little kid, I mean, even for, that's pretty bad. I'm not gonna tell y'all how old I am, but this is so precious. I'm getting excited about this. Are you excited about it?
I am.
What is this?
Can't wait to open mine.
Okay. So I guess you have to build their little habitats, which is so cool. Oh yeah, that's probably what all those papers were. Look how they did that. So here, so here's a little cage and their little food. Let's open the bunny. Oh my word.
So cute.
So precious. It's so little.
It's like what you actually get from the pet store.
So I got the bunny, and that's why I wanted one of the bunnies. Oh, guys, look how precious. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. Guys, tell me that's not the cutest little thing. This would make a great Christmas gift. I'm just telling you. So this is the little, like, straw or whatever you would put in the little habitat. And you could sit the little bunny in there. I have to look for the instructions because I really don't know what that is.
I'll open this one.
And then you can put the little log in and you can feed them. Oh my goodness, guys, that's so cute. Okay, go ahead. Hurry up and open yours. This is getting long.
This one.
Well, we're going to set the little habitats up. But yay, we got a bunny.
All the paper.
I wanted that. What did you get?
Lots of paper.
All the
I
instructions.
think I got the hamster.
You got Larry?
Wait, no, I don't know.
Yeah, I see.
I got the hamster.
Okay, so we got both of the ones that we wanted, right? Well, you wanted the axolotl. Like, you can't pick what you're going to get,
oh,
so.
it's a guinea pig.
Oh, are you sure?
Oh,
guys. Oh,
it
my
says
word.
a guinea pig habitat. It's like a little.
Guys, this is the cutest thing.
The newspaper.
I grew up with Littlest Pet Shop. That's probably aging me, but guys, I would have died for this. These are like, I feel like even smaller than my little animals that I got.
Cute. Okay, let me open this.
Here, open them up so they can see it.
Oh, it's orange. Just
Is it the hamster or the... Lana, that's a guinea pig. They're so
cute.
precious.
Oh,
Guinea pig, okay.
I think that's adorable.
We have one more. I really hope we get the hamster.
Can I open that?
What?
Please, please, please.
Okay, so she's gonna open it. Go ahead and open it. So guys, check these out, the MGA Miniverses. I know that they have other things too you can try to get, but we wanted the animals. I should read the instructions for this. Come on, Alana, get the hamster, little Larry.
I really want the axolotl. Or the bird. There's multiple birds, right?
I don't want a bird though.
So nice.
Here's the little hamster.
Guinea pig.
Or the little guinea pig, I keep calling it that.
Oh, I got the axolotl.
No.
Yes.
Wait, show 'em.
Yes, yes,
So this
yes.
is what it's gonna look like. It's gonna come with all this stuff.
Wait, does that mean the axolotl? I think I got it.
No, I want Larry. We're gonna have to try to get all of them.
I
Because,
wanted that so
you know-
bad. Let's go. What? Moss balls?
You have to literally like pour water or pour
That
something
is
in. I
so
think resin,
cool.
and it says it
Resin?
may contain resin.
Axolotl. I got it. The one I
Yeah.
wanted. You got the bunny and I got the one I wanted.
Yeah, but I wanted Larry because Larry was your little hamster, and it looks just like Larry. Yeah, there's some birds too. Okay,
Look
go ahead and
how
show.
cute that
Oh my
is.
word, that is so tiny. Yeah, you guys, you definitely need to be 8+. And you can't have
That is
kids.
so cute.
That's so little. It's so cute. Show all the little thing. So it has moss, and that's what it comes in,
Has
like a
little
little
rocks
container.
for the bottom. and
It
then
does
the
not have
container.
little rocks.
And
Oh my
moss
word,
balls
like
where you can
legit
decorate.
rocks.
Wait, what is this? Oh, it's for
You didn't even open the hamster little cage.
Oh,
Okay, guys, this is the most chaotic opening because we're doing 3 different things, but it's okay.
It's so
That's our life.
cute. Don't lose this.
That is so little. And then what's that stuff? That's probably the resin.
Yeah, resin.
The resin. Oh, we better hope we don't get them all mixed up. This is also for the guinea pig cage. Anyway, guys, check it out. So cute. Look at that. A little feed trough for the hamster or the guinea pig. Sorry, I keep saying that.
For the
Oh my word.
axolotl.
I feel like I'm with my littlest pet shop again when I was little.
How little it is in the cage. It's
So cute. Guys, so you all need to check this out. Try to collect them all. I mean, I want the hamster, but that's all right. Oh my word. Okay, so that's that, and it comes with their little houses and all that. So it's so fun. Check these out. The Miniverse. Make it animals. You can't go wrong. Smile. That was blurry. It's okay. Okay, bye. Okay guys, quick overview. We got the little bunny down there. So cute. You got the little lettuce and the carrots. It comes in the little box. All right, with the food. And then we got the hamster with the little guinea pig food. All right. And then she started working with the resin to put the little axolotl in. All right. And it comes with some food as well. So these are darling and you can collect them all. They said there's 12. Definitely check these out for someone in your life that loves little tiny things. I feel like kids would love these. Make sure that they're 8 years old and older. All right, happy shopping, guys.